Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is the day that I'm working in my holiday binder. I have $50 in prop money. So let's get started. See, I think we're just going to start here with Easter. Let's start. All right. Let's go here. And this one is created by Budget with Carly. Says $50. I'm not going to roll a die. I'm just going to scratch. And we have a 4. All right, let me move this over here before I knock something over. So $4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next we have It's Birthday. And this is created by Snow Garden 307. This side says 75 and this side is 80. So let's scratch this one. And that is a 7. So 5, 6, and 7. All right. Next, well, that's our buffer, so we're not going to do that one yet. Let's go up to Thanksgiving. And this one is created by Bookish Mama Budget. It says 45. And let's do this one. And that is a 2. Should I do one more? Let's do another one. Let's do the let's do this one. And that's a 4. So $6. So 5 and 6. Thanksgiving is almost fully funded. Oh, I forgot about this one. This one's created by Budgeting by Dina US. Says 45 on this side and 75 on this side. Let's do the 75 one first. Let's go here. Oh, see, look, now that's an 8. Oh, that is so funny. $8. Should I do one on this side? No, we're just going to do one side. So I got $2. No. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, next is Christmas. And it's a scratch and save book created by Cajangirlcreates. So we got finished a couple of pages here. So on this page, say 65. So let's do this one is calling my name. Woo! A 9. I kind of went back and look and see. I'm really getting, dang, I didn't got $1. I'm really ahead for Christmas. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I might have to get some change. Yeah, so what I did was this I'm saving for Christmas in this book, in this binder, and also my year of savings. So what I did was for this binder, my goal is $500, and I'm already at $118. Yes, baby. So I love that. Next we have is New Year's. And this is created by Bookish Mama Budget. Says $50. Let's go here. And that is a 5. So 5 in here. Valentine's Day. Oh, we done made it all the way around, full circle. This is created by Budget with Carly. Say $65. So let's do one here. And that is a 6. And of course, I don't have no change. Let me see what I got. No, I don't. This vacuum needs some batteries. Excuse my reach. Let's see. Let's break this 10. So what I say, let me do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And then put this 10. I don't know why I bought this big 10 in here. I don't know. Ugh. So I need what? 6. Ooh. 5 and 6. Excuse the mess. My vacuum cleaner is not cooperating on this. What is today? Today is Monday for me. All right, we at Easter. Let me see. Oh, this is 1 through 9. I don't mean 3 through 9. Did I even scratch one for Easter? Then I wasn't on start. I'm confused. Did I start with Easter or no? I forgot which one I started. I think I was supposed to start with I don't remember. What just happened? I don't know. So what I got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, $5. So we just gonna put that $5 here for birthday, since I do have a birthday coming up in October. So let's go ahead and color in one of these 5s here. Yes, I don't know what I did, because Easter is not even scratched off yet, is it? No, not supposed to start there. So I'm starting there next. I don't know what I did, Gems. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Okay. Got 5 in there. Perfect. All right, Gems. Thank you so much for rocking with me, even through the craziness. That was the $50 put into my holiday binder. Just a little at a time to save for the holidays. Thank you so much for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, Gems.